friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minerva, and for today's video we're unboxing my Becker CPA review materials. I'm beyond excited to finally start my CPA journey, and I want to share it with you guys. This will probably be the first video in a series of Becker/CPA exam videos. If you would like to see more, please subscribe and like this video, and let's get to unboxing. Alright, so after I acquired my Becker CPA review materials, I ordered my books, and here's me struggling to open a box. Okay. Alright, now the books. So, so these, I decided to order all the books. Most people, I think they order one. For example, if they got their NTS only for FAR, then they're only going to order the FAR book, right? I decided to order everything. So I got my financials, so my FAR book, my audit book, and BC, Reg, and I also decided to get the review books. They're kind of like a summary of the other books, and the flashcards. Okay, and I just want to show you how the book looks inside. And yeah, as you can see, it's a table of contents and an overview of FAR. The exam is 4 hours and you get a 15-minute break. Each MCQ testlet has 33 questions. Here's the blueprint of the content of the exams, or for this one, for FAR. You also get 3, or I think it said 3 to 5 testlets for the simulations. You get 66 MCQs for FAR. Okay, and this is FAR 1, Chapter 1, Module 1. I believe for FAR there's 10 chapters. I guess Module 1 was very short. There's an income statement, balance sheet, and here are some MCQs you can practice. Okay, and this is how the software looks like, the home page. Here's where you can see your progress, your study path, additional resources, your weekly plan, AICPA questions that are released, your course updates.
Hello, my name is Mike Brown, one of the national instructors for your Becker CPA review course, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to offer some advice as you lay out your study plan that will guide your progress through the course. I'm going to focus on 3 key questions. First, what order should I take the exams in? Second, how much time can I commit to studying each week? And third, what if I get off schedule? Now, let's take the first question. What order should I take the exams in? Well, there is no single right answer. Start with the easiest, start with the most challenging, start with the class you took most recently. There are arguments to support starting with any of the 4 parts. Ultimately, it comes down to the order you believe, personally, gives you the best chance of success. If you hate the idea of having the part of the exam that worries you the most hanging over your head until the end, then that is the one you probably should start with. If you prefer to leave the biggest challenge, or a bad combination. 13 to 15 hours per week. After making your commitment, be realistic. You cannot study 24/7. You may think you can function without sleep. I wouldn't recommend it.
I'm going to show you how to create your study plan here. And as you know, since I ordered everything, I'm choosing FAR, Audit, Reg, and BEC. I decided to take those exams in that order. I selected when I want to start studying, and now it creates the plan for me. And You can print it. It shows you the dates and when you have to complete the chapters.
Yeah, you're about to have some fun. You didn't realize that. That's right, you're gonna love this stuff. Your friends and family are gonna be very jealous that you're studying for the CPA exam. And never ever forget why you're doing this. That love of accounting, right? All right, probably not. So, the opportunity and the money that's on the back end of passing this exam. Never forget why you're doing this, okay? So for the most part, the time and effort you put in is going to dictate your success exam day. It doesn't just involve memorizing a bunch of formulas and what have you. It involves a lot of practice and understanding. You guys know the deal. The first thing you forget on an exam are things that you merely have memorized. But if you actually understand it, then even if they ask the question in a way that you're unfamiliar with, but you nonetheless understand the rule, you'll be able to apply it exam day. So my name is Peter Olinto, along with Tim Garrity and the Browns. We're going to be walking you through F1. Here we go. Financial accounting standards. Now, just going to forewarn you, if you can't sleep tonight, there's no need to take a sleeping pill, because you could read the next 3 or 4 pages just before bed, and it'll knock you right out. Forget Ambien. So, financial accounting standards. Where do they come from in the United States? So, first line, top of the page, circle SEC. Technically, the Securities and Exchange Commission has the legal authority to establish GAAP. Put in quotes the word expected. And expect specific, known, scheduled weighted average. But we'll see that later. According to FASB and the IASB, completeness is an ingredient of what? Now look, I don't doubt your ability to get this right. We just covered this. What I want to do is teach you how to do the homework questions.
This is how a multiple choice question looks like. Let's try this question. The primary authoritative body for determining the measurement, focus, and basis of accounting standards for governmental fund operating statements is the A. GASB, B. NCGA, C. FASB, D. GAAP. I'm gonna go with GASB. Yay! For the simulation, I decided to show a sim of adjusting journal entries. As you can see here, this is what you need to complete for this simulation. You can, if you get stuck, you can watch that Skill Master video, and the instructor gives you a walkthrough on how to solve that simulation. And I believe this is how the simulation will look on the exam. So you have access to that calculator. You also get access to Excel. I believe some functions are limited, so you can't use all formulas and other functions during the exam. And I think that's how Excel will look like on the exam. You also have access to the authoritative literature. During the exam. Oh, it looks like there's 2 questions here. Okay, let's go to question 2. Ugh, this one has a bunch of exhibits. Selected receipts, email from controller, selected journal entries, blah, 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 and blah, blah. We're not going to go through all of this, so I just want to give you a quick overview of how a simulation looks like. You can look at the solution. If you want to skip the lectures, or you just don't like using a physical book, or you just want to have like an outline before you go through the lectures, you can use this resource. You also have the option to do unlimited practice tests, which is pretty cool. You can do personalized or random. You can choose up to 100 questions and up to 10 simulations, I think, or more. You can select all units, or you can just select a couple. Ooh, and I selected a couple, and the first question I get is a simulation. It's a research question. So, you open the authoritative literature. I can't speak. And, you look for FASB, codification, advanced search, and you try to look for the, the FASB ASC.
have to do with long-term liabilities is find the issuing price of a bond. That's going to be the sum of the present value of the principal. All right, guys, so scenario number 3, same thing we just had in scenario number 2. Difference is $1,043. Those bond issue costs, your cash pro.
So for the flashcards, you have the option to purchase those physical ones, or you can just use the digital, whatever's easier for you. And yeah, this is how the flashcards look like. You also get 3 simulated exams, and this one says you should take it 2 weeks before your exam. Okay, for the cost, I personally got my Becker CPA review materials for free. My employer is paying for it, and I believe I selected the unlimited, which was the one in the middle. Yeah, because I'm not getting any of those live online classes. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I got the one in the middle. And this is cpabecker.com, I think. It gives you all the prices, and oh, and here's a demo. Like, you can get to try it if you want to before purchasing. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like to see more in the future, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.